If you're not building your dream, you're building someone else's for minimum wage. But what if I told you, the real luxury isn't on the runway. It's being made. Behind it in places the fashion industry doesn't want you to look. Behind every $1,500 trench coat and every viral fashion drop, there's a hidden world. And it's collapsing. Factories closing. Skills vanishing. And while most people ignore it, you have the chance to walk into it and own it. Luxury fashion doesn't exist without makers. Hands that stitch, press, cut, and calibrate every detail with microscopic perfection. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. But here's what no one is talking about. The average British garment technician is over 50. They're aging out. And the next generation? They're missing in action. Because factory work is seen as low-tier, unluxurious. But here's the twist. This isn't a crisis. It's your entry point. London alone is a vibe like no other. Vintage hunting in Camden. Afrobeat nights in Brixton. Fashion Week shows in Soho. Underground galleries. Secret raves in Shoreditch. And everyone's walking like it's their own personal catwalk. The UK's young creatives aren't waiting to be discovered. They're building brands from basements, going viral from bedrooms. You wear Burberry with Dunks. You thrift Westwood. You code, stitch, DJ all in the same week. But here's what no one tells you. The energy you see on the streets, it vanishes if no one knows how to make the damn clothes. This is where the UK Fashion and Textile Association comes in. They're leading the charge, funding real apprenticeships, preserving craft, and rebranding what factory work actually means. With partners like Burberry, UKFT is building the next generation of industry talent. They've launched the Skills Strategy for Fashion and Textiles, a playbook for future-ready manufacturing. And then there's the Fashion Technology Academy by Fashion Enter. This isn't your grandma's sewing room. This is a government-backed training facility where students train like elite athlete, but for luxury fashion. You're learning on real production lines, digital pattern cutting, ethical stitching, 3D tech. It's a factory meets fashion lab. And the best part? These qualifications lead straight to jobs. Fashion isn't fast anymore, it's focused. Consumers want ethical. Brands want local. And that means you, with the right training, become the most powerful person in the room. Sustainability needs skills. And those skills are dying unless someone like you steps in. Step 1, plug into the industry. Join UKFT's newsletter. Hit industry events like Make It British Live or Textile Forum London. This is where the real recruiters hang out. Step 2, train where the brands recruit. Enroll in a NVQ program at the Fashion Technology Academy. You'll get hands-on experience with live client orders, real factory timelines, and cutting-edge tools. By the way, if you're wondering what an NVQ is, it stands for National Vocational Qualification. It's how the UK certifies real job skills, and it's all hands-on. You're not sitting in a classroom memorizing terms, you're doing the work. At the Fashion Technology Academy, you can earn NVQs in tailoring, garment construction, or pattern cutting levels 1 through 3, and that makes you officially job-ready. Step 3. Earn while you build. Apply for a paid apprenticeship. UKFT and FTA both have employer pipelines. You don't just study here, you launch here. Because let's be real, building from the ground up, that's power no one can take from you. You're not too late. You're right on time to become the future face of fashion production. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about becoming a leader in the luxury fashion industry. And if you're ready to step out of the crowd and into your power, check out this next video.